morning. Today I will explain you about Korean vowels. There are 21 kinds of vowels in Korean. But today, first I will introduce you the simplest one. So this is a, ya, o, yo, o, yo, u, you, e. So the craziest part here is the pronunciation, because the spelling might be different, but if the pronunciation will be the same, it's weird. So when you pronounce it, this is a, you should just open your mouth as possible as you can. A, o, open your mouth as possible as you can. O, middle, and this is you. So this is u, and then e. Okay, another explanation. When there is a two line here, this will be automatically become y. So this will be ya. And then there are two line, automatically become y. This will become yo. Or some people write like this. I don't know. And then this will be automatically became yo, and then this is you. Okay, again I will read a, ya, o, yo, o, you, you, e. So this one, and then e as in I, or e. Okay, I will give a tip of pronouncing the three O in Korean. Okay, about this O, yo, u, you, you, you should open your mouth as big as you can. O, and then yo, and then 이거는 오, 요, this is u, hard pronunciation, and then here is you, as what like you say you, and then okay, again, o, yo, o, yo, you, so this is the pronunciation of every vowels in Korean. Next vowel is, we have this one, e, yeah, I will explain this for e. Okay, this is e. Actually, you pronounce e because this is letter A plus I, so e. And then you see a double one, just what I said recently. If there is a double line, that will become y. So this will become yeah. And then here, actually this is letter O and I, so e. This will become like this, and this double line will become y, so that will become yeah. Yeah. Next vowel is, we have wa, we, and then ui. Okay, this is not O. This is not O, but this is E. Okay, here actually this is O. O plus A, so it will become wa, wa. And then this is O plus E, this is become we, we. And then this is O plus E become we, we. And then this is U, the hardest one, plus E become we, we. And then this is the hardest one, U plus the hardest E become we. And then this one, this is U plus E, we. U, U, E. Or you can say U, E. U, E. Ui, ui. Okay, next, I will give you a tip. How to write Korean alphabet, consonant plus alphabet. Because in my Facebook page, there are many questions that talks about forming syllables. I will teach you about forming syllables. Okay, first, consonant, as we know, this is vertical, this is horizontal. Okay, I will explain. 자음, consonant, plus vertical vowels. Okay, example, consonant ga plus vertical a. So this is ga. So consonant plus vertical vowel should be written at the right side of the consonant. Vertical vowel should be written at the right side of the consonant. And also consonant plus horizontal vowel should be written under the consonant. For example, O should be written under the consonant. Okay, this is our consonant plus vertical vowel should be written right side of the consonant. And then our consonant G plus horizontal vowel. So horizontal vowel must be written under the consonant. Okay, again. Okay. Consonant plus vertical vowel. This is vertical vowel. And this is horizontal vowel. So vertical vowel should be written right side of the consonant. Okay, this one. This is consonant kiok plus a. So it should be written like this. Okay, and then consonant plus horizontal vowel. Horizontal vowel must be written under the consonant. Consonant G and here. Okay, so just remember that horizontal vowel should be written under the consonant, and then vertical vowel should be written beside the consonant. Okay, next, we have a consonant G here, giok. Okay, consonant giok. So consonant plus vowels, we learned that last time. So this is the same method. Consonant plus vertical vowel should be written at the right side of the consonant. So this is become G plus ye become gie. Okay, like this one. Another example. Consonant G plus a horizontal vowel plus vertical vowel. So this will become G O A. So gua. So in other spelling in English, we write gua. Gua. Consonant kiok with a horizontal vowel plus vertical vowel become gua. This is how you should write Korean or consonant plus vowels. Okay, another tip. This is u. It's not minus, but it is u and e. So like what I said, we have a consonant giok. So giok plus horizontal vowel. Horizontal should be written under or below the consonant. So giok plus u, that should be written under the consonant, will become gu. And then giok, this should be written beside the consonant gi. Okay, another example. gu and go. Okay. 여러분, 오늘 수업 어떠셨나요? 이제 조금 한국말 발음을 따라할 수 있으시겠죠? Better than nothing이라는 말이 있잖아요. 여러분은 포기하지 않고 기초를 끝까지 들으셨기 때문에 아무것도 안 하는 것보다 낫습니다. 질문 있으신 분들은 개인적으로 코멘트 해주시면 답해드리겠습니다. 그럼 라이크와 구독 잊지 마시고요. 하이코리아를 사랑하는 친구님들 파이팅! 다음 시간에 만나요. 안녕.